not able to understand on how to get a good score in IELTS essay writing, don't know the perfect strategy, not able to formulate proper structures, not able to plan properly, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we will cover the main portion of IELTS essay writing, that is body paragraphs. Not introduction, not conclusion, just simply planning and body paragraph. When you see a question, what to do, what's the first step, how to plan for that question, and how to convert those plans into proper sentences. Sentences of quality which can help you get band 8 or more. Hello everyone, welcome back to Click English. My name is Harshvardhan Vashisht, and in this series of videos, I am continuously going to post different essay questions, and I will plan those questions for you and will also tell you how to convert the plans into proper good quality IELTS sentences which can help you get a very good score. Sounds good? Great, let's begin. So the question we have is, some people believe that reading is always a good habit. Others feel it depends on which books a person is reading. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So, since it's a discuss both sides, give your opinion type question, we have learned, those who are my students would know, that in this type of question, we try to balance the essay equally. So, however number of points you're giving for one side, you have to discuss almost the same amount of points for the other side as well. So in this case, we have two major ideas which have been asked in the question. Is reading always good? And reading can only be good if the books are good. So reading is always a good habit. And the second idea is that it depends on the book, whether you're making good use of that habit or not. So now our job is to think on both the ideas and convert these ideas into quality sentences for body paragraph. Okay, so the first idea which we can say is reading is a good habit because it helps in knowledge acquisition. That is, that how? Because through reading we can get knowledge about different subjects, cultures. It also helps in expansion of vocabulary, improvement in writing skills. So many different benefits of reading. Now you can use each of these ideas and convert them into their own points for body paragraph, or you can compile them and write one point. The second point which we can think of in this case is that reading also relieves stress for some people, or it can also be a source of entertainment. Genres like fiction, science fiction, romance, etc. can help people escape their day-to-day lives and can provide a source of entertainment. For the other side, where we have to talk about that reading is only good when the books are good, we can say that, well, reading poorly written or inappropriate content can be problematic, can be detrimental, and can reinforce stereotypes or misinformations among the reader. So, if the content is poorly written, maybe it's inappropriate, this can be a problem for people who are reading. Now, the other thing which we can think of is that exposure to, let's say, extremist or harmful ideologies in written form. Now, this can be concerning as well. So, I think that's fairly obvious that if a person reads something which is extreme in nature, this can also affect them and might lead them onto a wrong path or an immoral path or a path which is viewed as extremist by members of the society. So in this case, reading is not really good, and that's why reading is only good because it depends on the book. So these are the 2 points which we can think of now. Alright, so now that we have these 2 points, let's see if how we can convert them into decent sentences for body paragraph. So, the first point was about knowledge acquisition. Now, how can we convert this into a good sentence? We can write that it is widely acknowledged that reading is an excellent habit that enables individuals to broaden their knowledge. Reading stories can provide insights into different cultures, traditions, and ways of thinking, which can help in developing valuable skills such as writing and building vocabulary. So, we are talking about how reading is an excellent habit that was asked in the question and how it enables individuals to broaden their knowledge through stories. We can learn about cultures, tradition, we can think and can help in developing valuable skills such as writing and vocabulary building. So that was our first point, which we've changed into two very good quality sentences. The second part was about how reading can relieve stress and can provide a source of entertainment. So we can continue in this paragraph and say, moreover, various genres such as fiction, science fiction, romance, and more can serve as a source of entertainment and help in relieving stress. So I've not done anything fancy here. As you can see, I've just simply used the ideas. I've thought carefully about the question and I've used these ideas and turned them into our a very important part on how to get a very good score in writing. Now remember, it's not important to write them correctly always, but you should always try to attempt writing complex sentences. Okay, so that's the end of paragraph 1. Now, what we do not do is spoon feed. I'm not going to tell you the second body paragraph. That's up to you. You have to. I've done the planning for you. You can use those ideas which I've given, or you can think of your own ideas and you can plan and write the second paragraph of this essay. Now try to use the same sort of sentence structures, try to come as close to the quality of this body paragraph which I have written for you. This will not only give you a good idea of how to structure your sentences, but will also get you an idea on how to produce good quality sentences, which will get you one step closer in getting a dream score in your IELTS essay writing. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, please like and subscribe. Watch the other videos in the series. Some of them will be coming up in future. For IELTS writing classes, you can join my online course. Contact me on the number in the description, or you can also email me. Well, best of luck. Keep on writing, keep on practicing. See you next time. Cheers.